Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll talk about MCQ of C programming language from Switch chapter. Here in this video, we'll discuss three MCQ question from Switch case. So without wasting time, let's start. This is our question. Point out point out the error, if any, in the following program. So you can see that we have a question based on Switch case. Here we declare two variables I and j with value 4 and 2 respectively, and we have a switch statement, and we are sending I as a switching variable, and we have two case 1, and inside this we have a printf statement and break, and we have case j, and inside it we have one printf statement and break statement. So is that possible to give one integer value and one variable? Though we have a variable j and we are initiated as a value with 2, but is this possible to give the value as a variable inside a case? No, we cannot put a variable like this. So the answer, constant expression required in the second case, we cannot use j. So this is our answer. So we have to give here 1 2 3 4 like this. Let me show the practical example how it's give the error message in our program. So this is our program. If we'll compile, then it will show error, and here in the below section you can see that case level does not reduce to an integer constant. So here we declared variable, for that it is giving this kind of error, so we have to put here integer value. So this is our second question, and the question is, point out the error, if any, in the following program. Like the previous example, we also have a switch case, and in case 1 we have a printf statement then break, but in this next case we have an expression inside the case statement 1 into 2 plus 4. So is this possible to give this kind of expression in switch statement? Yes, we can give this kind of expression. So the answer will be, in this program there will be no error, and constant expression like 1 into 2 plus 4 are acceptable in case of switch. Let me show the practical implementation of this program. So this is our program. If we'll run this program, the output will be case 1, because the I variable is initiated as 1, and this switch statement redirecting it to the case number 1. For that it is printing 1, then break, and then it's breaking up from, then it break from the switch statement. If we want to go to this statement, then we have to give the value of I as 6, because 2 into 1 equals 2 plus 4, that means 6. So if we'll put here 6, then it will print out this print statement, that is another case. So if we'll compile and run again, then it will show that case, another case. So the conclusion is that you can give the constant expression like this. This is our third question, and point out the error, if any, in the following program. You can see that we have a program in this section with a switch statement, and it is one variable is declared inside it, I, that is I initiated with value 1, and we have a two switch case 1 and case 2, and each case is containing one printf statement and break, but outside the print case 1 we have a printf function which is printing the hello message. So is this a error or not? You have to give the answer. Point out the error from this program, if any. So here the answer will be that without this printf statement our program is correct, but here we have a printf statement outside the case 1, but it will not give an error. This is not reachable code. The switch statement cannot reach this statement, but it will not show any error. So the conclusion is that though never required, there can exist a switch which has no cases. That means we don't have a required such kind of statement, but if it contains this kind of statement which is outside any cases, then that will show no error, but this is not required. So the conclusion is that this program will not give an error. So let me show it in practical example, then it will be more clear for you. So this is our program. If we will compile and run it, it will give no error. It will directly redirect to the case number 1 because the I variable is initiated as 1. For this reason, this is redirecting to the direct case number 1 and it is printing. If we'll give the value of I equal to 2, then it will directly go to the this statement. So you can see that this program is not showing any error. And if you'll just compile, then you will be able to see that in warning section it is showing that in line number 10, this is our line number 10, and in line number 10, unreachable code at beginning of the switch statement. And one warning message also there that return type of main is not integer, so you can change it to integer. But if we'll change the return type of main function as an integer, then you can see that the program is giving the same result. But in case of warning, you can see that we have this warning message. If we'll erase it or comment it out, then it will not show any warning message. You can see that after compilation it is not showing any warning message also. So I think this is clear for you. If you have any question, you can post it in comment section. We will try to solve your problem. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.